Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to place text behind an object within Adobe Photoshop. And as you can also see as well, if you look through the car window, the car screen there, you can see the text looks like it's actually behind the object. And what I would like to do is show you the process of how to do this effect. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this top layer now by pressing backspace and starting off with our original image and our original type layer here, like so. Okay, now, first of all, I'm just going to turn our type layer off using the eye on the layer. And what we need to do is make a selection of the car. So I'm going to use the object selection tool and I'm going to come through now and press select subject. Fantastic, quite a good selection there. Now with that selection live, what I need to do is press the shortcut Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. And what will happen is you'll have the car now on its own individual layer. Now, with the typography tool now brought back to life in the sense with the eye, what I need to do now is bring this car layer to the top, like so, and there we have it. But like I said, what we want to do is we want to see through the car screen here, the front screen of the car, the typography. So what we need to do is apply a layer mask to this top layer. Let's get our brush. Let's make sure our opacity is at 25% and our flow is also at 25%. Make sure that you're using a soft round brush and you're using black as your foreground color. And then with that layer mask highlighted, we're just going to come through now and just start to bring back that layer in the background there, just to give it that extra sense of realism. Like so. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.